How to send photo in TikTok message. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send photo in TikTok message, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, sending a photo on TikTok message is very simple, but this is a new update, so make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once done, open the TikTok application and then you're gonna set this type of interface. Just come to the inbox tab as to see the people whom you want to send anything over here, right? So once you select a certain person that you want to send something, just go to that chat page there, and once you go to that chat page, all you have to do is tap on the message bar. Then you'll find the photo icon from the bottom right, so tap on it. Then all you have to do is just select that particular option, and then you will be able to send them a picture if you want to. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically send photo message in TikTok message. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.